Non-Elvis voice, non-Elvis song. Baka pwede mo kami pagbigyan.
Sige po. Ito.
Anong song yan?
You'll be safe here.
You'll be
Aba,
safe.
wow!
Oh, Pedro, and the Halabox.
Nobody knows just why we're here. Could it be fate or random circumstance? The right place at the right time to
Grabe, Jerome, in his real voice. Ang ganda, diba?